we will see how we can create a reactive form. So first we need to import that form module. If you are using standalone component, we can directly import it here. Otherwise, you can import in app module, then we can use in your component. So I imported it here, and after that, let me create a variable student form. We can give type any for that form. Yeah, like this. And after that, let me implement ng on init to initialization of the form like this. And let me remove first this signal from here. Yeah. So let me add ng on init. Yeah, for initialization of the form. And let me add constructor to add dependency injection to inject form builder in our form. Yeah, like this. You can import like this. You can give any name instead of FP. I given it for form builder. Yeah, it will automatically import in that forms module. So you can use like this dot student form, whatever you given that variable name, you need to add like this dot form builder dot. You can group that your form using group. There are 4 fields: first, last, email, and mobile number. So let me create it here using form. Okay, like this. Then remove that action using form group and initialize with that form group name. Student form. We created a student form. Just copy that and initialize in that form group here, like this. Okay. And after that, let me add that form fields. Yeah, student form. Let me save it and check once what is shown. Here we are getting error, cannot find control with name. Okay, we use first name and last name. Yeah, you can copy it from here and change it. Instead of name, you can give it first name for the control name, like this. And age is not there, so let me remove this age field. Instead of that, we can copy this 4 times using Shift Alt and down arrow key. Yeah, you can change it like this. Last name, email, and mobile number. Yeah, save it and check it. Yeah, now it's doing fine. Let me refresh once. Yeah, now error is removed. Let me give some. Yeah, let me add one method to get that console log value. Like this, and just copy that method name and implement in the TS file. After ng on init, like this. On submit and add a console log. Here one curly dashes is missing. Let me add it here like this and save it. Let me add value. Let's be 4, 5. Yeah. If you okay, it's not working. I think something is we missed. So let me check once again. Mm, we missing common module sometime. It's happen you didn't get any error, but it's not showing what is there. So sometimes it's happened due to common module. So import it in your standalone component like this. Common module. Okay. Let me check once. Okay, still is not working. Let me check the spelling of student form is correct or not. Yeah, let me remove this disabled for now. Yeah, like this. Let me copy student form from here and paste it here. Yeah, okay, and then save it. And now it should work. If you open that form and fill out that sub, yeah, now we are getting that value on console. Let me add one more thing to reset the form. There is a method reset. We can use that method to reset the form once we submit the values. Let me show you once again. Email. If you click on submit, then it will be show on console and it will